Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited about this YouTube journey. Oh my god.
Yeah,
What do you think about the YouTube journey so far?
it's a lot of work,
Yes. But it's
on,
fun.
on the flip side, it's fun. It allows to actually, spend some more time together,
Yeah.
doing more things together as a couple.
And
So-
looking forward to making these videos like every day, every other day or so.
Every other day, people. Right now, I think we're doing videos like 3 times a week. So it's fun, and we'd advise you guys to step on the journey.
Yeah.
As we said, a lot of work, but once or twice you can really come together and build a vibe, then consistency comes into place, and always look forward to another video.
Yeah.
And we have some good supporters. So far there are a couple of persons that every time we drop a video,
They always comment.
or they will call or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate
We
it.
like reading the comment, they give us a little energy and a little vibe. So comment below, and at the end of the video you can always leave a comment, like, and share with your friends, your family, of course. And I have some shout out to do for persons who always comment on our videos. Some of our friends, not everyone. So we're gonna do some shout out in each video. So if you didn't hear your name in this one, then you can listen out for your name in another video or support. Alright, so big up friends like Anna K, Sandra.
Okay. Yes,
Sandra, always leave a comment. Big up yourself, Sandra.
Yeah, as a video drop within the first hour, Sandra send out her comments them. So Sandra, thanks, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Big up Anne Marie. Yes.
Go.
Big up Saybird, all the way from you know where. Always leave a comment. Big up Zaki X Bella. They have a YouTube channel, so you can join them as well. Kadian, big up yourself. Peter Gay, big up yourself. Nijol, big up yourself. Pooh Bear Mastermind, big up yourself. He also have a YouTube channel. Very young on YouTube, so you can give him some support. Lisa, big up yourself. Georgia, big up yourself. Thank you all guys for watching our channel.
Oh yeah, and our virgin, Jermaine. Yeah, Jermaine. Thanks for passing through every now and then and leaving a comment. Appreciate that.
Yeah. You have anybody else to big up?
That's about it right now. And our friends from work.
Yeah.
Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support, guys.
We appreciate everyone.
Yeah. So, as you see in the comments, guys, I am going to take on a task that a lot of us men run from.
But what do you think about that task though?
We always see you guys doing your things in front of the mirror, and we always say, watch her. So tonight I find myself in the seat, and I sit down right now and I lie there. Hope I'm gonna do a poor job. Cause you're looking damn good right now, and I don't want to mess it up with some makeup, but I think I'm gonna surprise myself, guys. It's all powder and stuff. What can possibly go wrong, eh? So I'm gonna just put it on her face and fix up her face, line up her face,
Please don't make me look ugly, because you have makeup for different reasons.
Don't worry yourself, I'm doing it once it's gonna do a thing, they're proper. So, yeah. Yes guys, so
And by the way guys, I did my hair, I plaited some box braid, and Tia helped me plait out
oh
hair.
she and Tia do it today.
Yes.
Yeah, it was.
Tell me how it look. You can leave a comment and tell me how it look, if you like it.
Me do something to.
Hot water the ends.
Hot water the ends and people.
Yeah.
So all them ends are my work. they put in a water, make it steam and come together.
Okay. Yes, you did a good
So
job.
I learned the ear job too. So I so me the 1 year on them day, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, yes, guys. So right now we are going to go into prepping the face. So the first thing that you have to do when you're doing makeup is that you have to prep the client's face. Okay. So we want to do that by using wipes to get her face clean.
Your face clean already.
The face not clean, babes. Sure. Wipe.
Look, if you're seeing the dirt
You
on
have
the
to wipe
wipes.
off everything off of your face.
You're seeing the dirt on the wipes?
Not because you just did a while ago. You're not shopping now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then never trust me, so I'm be
And people, it's Corona time now, so you have to practice social distancing. In our case, it does not apply. Okay. You know, a long time I'm looking at your face though.
Really?
Looking at your face and your face, you know, so
You need to spend more time in my face.
your face is well proportioned, you know, my friend. You're cute. You're cute. Come, fix your face good now. And there's one wipe. Fix your face good, yeah. Yes, people, you have to spend time and clean the face. You don't want to leave anything on the face because the next step is going to be applying the moisturizer.
I'm not telling nothing.
The next thing, guys, is that we're going to apply moisturizer after this. Alright, guys, so this is the moisturizer. Now, you don't use much. Put some in your hand. Alright, guys, this looks like it at the right amount. So I'm going to rub it up. So, guys, moisturizer, you rub it up, make sure your hand clean. Fix your face.
It's sure that too much moisturizer I use. Anyway.
You're supposed to rub it up, right?
Yes.
Alright, guys, so like get our face moisturized, so we can go to the foundation. That mask can't rub out. Takes so long to rub out. People put my hand me glove and still have. If you realize you have too much moisturizer in your hand, you get a wipes and you wipe off your hand, people. Sure. Alright, so we're gonna finish moisturize our face. Your face feel. Never been better. Say it. Never been better.
No comment.
That's Christ. Alright, people. So we have cleaned the face. We have moisturized the face. And our next step is to put on the foundation.
I'm not telling you nothing.
Yes, guys. Foundation. Foundation.
You're supposed to know all of that.
Alright. So. This is the foundation brush, people. And this is the foundation. Now, what made it she do in the mirror? She put some on her handbag, so when I come out. Oh, shit. Right. So now people, you're gonna just gently brush this onto the face. This face. Oh, okay. So what you can do, people, you just put it on in places. Alright. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use the brush and go all over her face and see if I can proportionally disperse what you see on her face right now. Can't do it on your face though? Alright people, so come let me use too much so.
Where is oh the cameraman is so weird.
Close your eyes then. People are not for this, you know. Go on your lip, well. So as you look, people, you're seeing that her skin tone is coming back. See, I'm brown. Make it what your skin tone. People might try to catch back the tone, but that come, that come. What the chin then? So you have to do it so that it comes down under our chin to people.
Who teach you for the makeup?
Makeup school. See your face, pull up your face. Okay, people. Oh, the earline go.
Figure it out.
It become like me a white for a long while now still, you know. Okay. Alright guys, after you've done the foundation, the next step is to wanna work on the eyes, people. Let me see if I can remember this now. What am I do this if I come in hand? Oh, alright, no, I use it, never use it for something. Alright. The eyes now, guys, the eyes. Some of the eyes now.
You have to figure it out. You should have done your research and prepare yourself.
It always pull.
Let me put it for you.
It's up on your eye. Alright. I can't cut that part out. I'm going to the next page.
Man.
I forgot the eyes now.
Yeah, but you need the pencil, the eyeliner pencil.
Understand?
No. You're gonna need that too.
Shit. Did you put here somewhere there?
I not.
Oh, this one is I'm going to cut your eye. Oh, man. And the fat part there, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The fat.
And then the brush, the liquid fine brush, I used to go use clean up it. Clean up the edges and
So the foundation, a while ago, you need to go by your eyelash.
mm-hmm.
Okay, what's the other point? So fat to thin, fat to thin. So the pencil is a mark out the eye here.
Make sure you quick edit this one.
Yeah. So I'm going to start my mark out the eye now. Alright guys, so we're gonna be an artist now. This can slip on my hand, right? And we are going to mark out the eyes, the eyelash people.
Lash? Eyelash this? Eyebrow, not eyelash.
People are gonna mark out the eyebrow. Sit down, don't move in. Hold up head. Oh. It's good enough art and craft class, man.
Mm-hmm. Makeup class is low.
Guys, you have to ensure that the two of them look the same. And say, a sharpen, you want to sharpen?
The sharpener is at the top.
So people, when you're doing this and your pencil start getting dull, you sharpen at the same time. Rust for my pen gone. Yeah, so yeah, onto that pencil there.
It's two of them in there now, so if one fails, there's another one.
God damn it. Right, I'll come back. People and pens that are delicate, so you have to take time and use them, yeah. Cause me mom for all the island, I bro, this is true. So much work in this community. People never knows that so much work. Jesus Christ, I'm not original yet. This will come down fine. Wow. People, you look shot.
Can't wait to see.
Oh, you can't see it. Gosh. People should have just trust me right now because you can't see it, you know. But comment, people, comment, how it look. Come fix your face. Come. I'm gonna go too high with them. If you go like a little bit above your eyelash, right? Your eyebrow, right?
It depends on how you're gonna do it.
Okay. Give it enough eyebrow. Alright guys. Need some more cool breeze for you?
Yes, sir?
No, hold on there. Yeah, alright.
The changing from there in the video.
You have to put that on top of it.
Well, you're going to use something and clean it up now. The brush let me show you I use, you're going to clean up the edges of the eyebrow. And so you're going to let my eyebrow down? No.
Oh, okay. Alright then. Jesus Christ. All this. Alright people, so she's looking splendid, right? The next step is that you're gonna use someone saying something and you're gonna clean up the edges of the eyebrow. Say feeling our skin.
Oh, good.
Some
People are worried that one because me can't see, you know.
yes, man, no. I can't see again, you know. It's enough work.
Oh, good.
Yeah, people, you have to kind of make it kind of blend in now, you know. Look at your face. No, don't do so, don't do so. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was hearing that story from you. But this one, this kind feel kind of
You know.
smooth it out. People, we have to fix up the face. Oh, God. Close your eye. Close it. Alright, people, so she have on blue dress. So, like, when she have on the blue dress now, I was thinking that I could put some little blue under here. What do you think? Some blue under here.
Do you think, Papa?
Alright. Oh, I'm gonna give one of these colors on the eye, okay? Here, so.
Do you think?
Oh, and then this here.
I know how me look people comment.
People, she shut up. She shut.
Give me a comment there.
She shut
Tell
up.
me how me look, cause me not have a clue how me look right now.
Question. And this use me this here? I'm for wash out this.
No, you know one short nothing. Use the other little brush right there.
Tricky a while ago, because I know them. You wipe it out, don't you? Oh boy. Alright, people, she have on blue. She got on blue dress. Says only afraid I'm give her a little blue on her eye. So we're gonna put some blue on the eyes, people. Me help me here for. Wow, lucky buck. Lock your ear in, please. Right. See your face, eh? You look nice, babes. You know, like you look nice. I'm gonna get lipstick now. Where lipstick there? Oh, this. Oh, people. So we're gonna give her some lipstick now, people. Right, honey? I'm giving you some lipstick. Fix your lip then. So we're gonna wipe our fire lip them too. Like you lip them. Alright, people, when you're putting on lipstick, you don't want to overdo it. So you're gonna take your little time and put it on like a sculpture. Fix your lip.
You fix.
No, sir. Yeah. Yeah. See that, people?
Yeah, if you make me do that before it dry up on you.
Oh. Okay. You don't want to give too much, people. Do it again. Right. Stop. Pause. Yeah. People. I'm gonna do this. This didn't look good. I could have done a little better over there. And bro.
You're not finished. You're finished.
What left for me though? People, what left for me though?
You finished? Me can't see it, so you finished?
Let me just feel it on. Just brush it on so.
How about the finishing powder? with that.
Add this new finishing powder. Say finishing powder on me. Yeah? Yeah?
Do your thing, do what you do.
Oh, yes, people. Finishing powder to kind of blending everything now. Blending everything. Come. Hold on. Oh, look at that, people. Oh, boy. What's going on there? Oh. Hold on there. People, tell me that she not shot. And you look nice.
So me never look nice before.
I'm going to tell you, say, I do a good job a while ago. You're hot, you know. You're hot up. You're hot up.
You must have got carry me go somewhere tonight.
No, Corona, go on. Alright, so I'm going to carry the mirror in front of you now. So you can look at yourself, okay? You're going to love it.
Supposed to run off a camera.
People should going to love it.
People supposed to run off a camera and see my face.
Alright, people, I give her a big old mirror to see herself. How you look?
Boom.
Don't cuss nobody up on the people on camera, you're a Christian.
Bitch, I want to go with the eyebrow on them. Mama.
Things don't look good.
I mean, you were people that say I comment.
People, I'm a first time people, I go on good.
We don't have no comment to say. But you guys tell me. Leave a comment. Oh, God.
You look nice on camera. Talk about So, guys, thanks again for tuning in. This was my first ever makeup challenge. I think I did pretty well. If I do it again, then I know it will be even better than this. You looking at the mirror a while ago, how you felt?
Yeah, I think the eyebrows could be a little bit neater. Yeah, but it's first try. So
She liked
I'm
it.
not going to bash him this time, but I'm
She
going to
like
come
it.
better next time.
She like it. She like it. And you like my chips?
No, it's not.
Oh, things like that from living up people. As I said, thanks for tuning in. And see you in our next video.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, tell them about us. Alright? Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
Peace out.